Dots with Dots Machi back with another video today. Y'all see the title is, bro, this thing keeps falling as always, bro. Y'all see the title is how to get clear skin. Number one, bro, stop using all these man-made products. You're losing to get a clear skin. Look, what I do if to get clear skin is I only use water, and then I get a haircut, and that's how like my face is clear. You see it right now, but I'm not trying to say, bro, I'm not trying to say is you won't get no bumps after this video. Of course, your skin might look perfect in this month, and then look bad this month, perfect this month, bad this month. Because, bro, your skin is not always gonna be perfect. These companies just want your money. That they gonna they're gonna make you keep coming back when your skin's not good, and then they might come up with another product called acne cleaner 2.0. It clears skin all the time, and it always works, bro. That does not work. So use these man-made products. Use natural oils, herbs, anything. Just use water. Use water. So use like a spring water. I'm not saying it will clear skin. It works for some people. It works for me though. It works for some people. What you gotta do is stop always putting it on your face like every single day. Give your face a break, because when you do have acne, that's just like your face. Like it's like, imagine it like taking a boo boo. You know, I'm not saying it like that way. Just your face taking a boo boo, and then like it's getting all the toxins out of your body and going out of your face. And your skin will not always be perfect. What I use is, look, I use water. This water in here, but I use water. I get it out and just put it on my face. And then if you can, I'm not trying to like tempt y'all to do this, but y'all just use lotion, any type of lotion. Not any type of lotion, because do not use, what's it called? What's it at? Do not use this type of lotion. This will literally, bro, do not use this on your face. Your face will like break out so bad. I don't have breakouts because, you know, I don't know, I'm just different. But y'all, stop using all these man-made products to clear your face. They're not gonna help. These companies just want your money, bro. And what's it called? When you want to clear your skin and stuff, do not use hot water. Do not use hot water. Use cold water. Cold water, like I said, cold showers, they literally clear your skin and help you with your body. Do not use hot water, because, bro, if you keep using hot water, you will not see any results. Because let's say I always take a hot shower, and I always take a hot shower, and I don't want to get acne out my face. What do you think can happen? It's not gonna work, because a hot shower doesn't really do nothing for your body. Cold water will help clear your skin, everything. And y'all, I want y'all to get haircuts. When you clear skin, haircuts will literally, like, when your barber puts stuff in your hair or like spray stuff, it literally clears skin. And then like when you get haircuts, he's like literally cutting some of your dead ends or whatever it's called, and then it will like help your face out more. See how my face is so clear right now? And then when I don't have haircuts, my face not that clean, bro. I keep telling y'all, get haircuts every single 2 weeks, but that's not in the video though. But y'all, that's how y'all clear your skin. Just don't use man-made oil. Y'all, if y'all see what they call lotions or acne things on TV, do not buy it, because that's not good for you. They just want your money, these companies. Do not get regular oil. Do not use this right here. This will not help you. If you have this cocoa butter, do not put that on your skin. Just use water, cold water. That's all you gotta do. It's not that hard, bro. You guys, you gotta keep it routine, you know what I'm saying? Put water on there every, like, if you want to clear skin. See, I got like a bump. See that? See that right there? Yeah. If you want to like have a routine type stuff, just put water in your face whenever you like take a shower. Put water, and that's all. But if you do want to have like lotion, do not use a man-made like or popular lotion. Use like what's it called? Like essential lotion or anything, like a herb, anything. Just use essential lotion. It does not have to be that popular. It just has to be a good lotion that like has a good review. Some might be boxed though, so you gotta watch out for that, like on the review. So just get good lotion. And y'all, I don't know, should I just put one in where I do on my face? Yeah, I might as well do it. I love y'all. Peace. And as y'all see, I'm getting a washcloth. Y'all see it? Y'all make sure y'all use a clean washcloth. Do not use a dirty washcloth to clear your skin, because that's literally gonna make it worse. Because why would you use a dirty washcloth? And do not use lotion. Don't use that. It's a man-made product. Just use a washcloth. That's all you gotta do. I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, sub. Love y'all. Peace.